Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to let an app access your photos on Android. If an app needs access to your photos on Android, use these easy methods. First method, grant permission in Settings. Go ahead and open the Settings app and go to App Management depending on your Android version. Then tap on App List. Choose an app that needs access. For example, CapCut needs this option, so go ahead and tap on it. Tap Permissions, Photos and Videos, or Storage. Choose Allow or Always Allow All to grant access. And we did the enabling photos and videos in our settings. Last method, allow access when prompted. Go ahead and open the app that needs photo access. Then I'll tap on New Project. A pop-up will appear asking for permission to access photos. Tap Allow or Allow All to grant access. If the app still can't access photos, you can restart your phone and try again. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.